Your privilege isn't a bad thing. It's actually one of the most important things that you have in the fight for social justice. Whether you're white, financially stable, able-bodied, or a dude, if we're being frank, I want you to use your privilege and your unique access to your social circles to advocate for what you just learned and educate those around you. It's okay to not know the answer to everything or know every nuance to every argument to get involved. The important thing is that you're using your platform to advocate for important social issues. One easy way is to use the social media platforms that you already have set up. Share infographics from activists or documentary or audiobook recommendations. Celebrate milestones and holidays with communities that you are an ally to. When the Supreme Court ruled this summer, finally, that it is unconstitutional to discriminate against queer people in the workplace, I was so excited to see all of my straight cisgender friends sharing in the win. It was a reminder to me that I do have friends in this fight. People who care about me and my queer friends who have no skin in the game otherwise. So it doesn't matter how many followers you have or don't have, or what your brand is. It's a stake in the ground that shows your circle who you are and what you stand for. You can also find ways to back businesses owned by the community that you're supporting with a quick Google search. For example, before I buy any of my Pride apparel, I do a quick search on queer-owned businesses to buy from. I might end up paying a couple dollars more, but it's a small trade-off in order to support queer people over a corporation.